At Sophos, we specialize in taking complex problems and making them simple, letting your organization get on with its real business. In this brief overview of the Sophos Web Appliance, we will show you how Sophos has embraced simplicity as our mantra. Of course, we deliver the advanced protection that you need, but without the complexity common to most security solutions, ensuring you don't need complex training or volumes of documentation to make the most out of your web protection appliance. The starting point for all activity in the Sophos Web Appliance is the real-time dashboard, which provides you with immediate visibility into network and filtering performance, as well as actionable intelligence about threats and convenient tools. The dashboard also serves as a launching pad to all other capabilities, from configuration to reporting, and you will never get lost, as every feature or capability is at most 3 clicks away. This carefully crafted interface has been proven to save customers hours of time, and more importantly, there's no learning curve. If you haven't touched the user interface in a couple of months, you don't need to learn it all over again. When it comes to configuring your appliance, let's start with how easy it is to view or change the default URL filtering policy. You can see what's blocked and allowed at a glance, for both URLs and file types. You can easily take action on any site category using the drop-down boxes provided. You can quickly set any category or file type to be blocked, allowed, or to warn users before proceeding to sites in that category. Allowing user feedback enables users to request access to sites that they find are blocked, allowing you to set up special policies upon request to accommodate their needs if you feel they're justified. As you might expect, defining custom policies is a breeze. Any number of special policies can be established to accommodate unique needs. Wizards ensure you aren't forced to dig out the manual every time you need to change something. For example, sales may require access to customer and prospect sites that are off limits to the rest of the organization. You can either set up a policy for sales that has broader category coverage, or you can assign a special tag for allowing access to individual sites they need on a regular basis. Then, if someone in sales finds they need access to a blocked site, they can easily submit a request for access, and you will receive a notification allowing you to add this site to their policy with just a few quick clicks of the mouse. This enables dynamic policy changes on the fly, no matter where your users are, so you can keep them working while ensuring your organization is secure. You can easily test any policy right from within the management console. Simply enter the site name, the username, and optionally a time of day to see whether a policy is in effect or not. Now, you may have some rogue users in your organization that try to bypass the internet filtering to access inappropriate or risky sites. Sophos has you covered with a unique solution that includes a comprehensive reputation service run by our global labs operation that identifies hundreds of new anonymizing proxies daily, adding them to the proxy category list as soon as they're discovered. In addition, we have integrated real-time anonymizer detection technology that can detect a request through an anonymizing proxy dynamically in real time and stop it before the request leaves the network. It's as simple as flipping a switch. This feature alone has saved some colleges and schools hours per day. Of course, URL filtering is important for productivity and compliance while also stopping the threats we know about. But one of the most important elements of any secure web gateway is how well it stops the threats we don't know about, especially given the dramatic increase in hijacked trusted sites in allowed categories. Sophos Labs augments the URL database with risk reputation information that is integral to our security filtering. High-risk sites are blocked automatically regardless of category. Low and medium-risk sites are scanned in real time using our behavioral malware engine that uses unique pre-execution analysis of web content such as JavaScript to detect malicious intent and block malware before it can execute in the browser. Another important but incredibly simple to use feature is HTTPS scanning. Given that up to 30% of all web traffic is encrypted now, particularly many anonymizing proxy sites, we've integrated HTTPS scanning that can proxy encrypted internet traffic and scan it for malware and anonymizing proxy use. Again, it's as simple as flipping a switch, and there's also an option to exempt finance and investment sites from encrypted scanning to maintain the integrity of these encrypted links, giving you the flexibility you need to balance user privacy with your organization's security. We've taken a unique approach to providing web protection for offsite users that may be working remotely, at home, or on the road. We've made this easy by integrating the full power of our web appliance into our endpoint. The endpoint now has full web malware scanning and policy enforcement built right in, just like our web appliance. It's like your users are taking their web appliance with them wherever they go, eliminating the need for VPN, backhauling, or cloud-based services that redirect traffic. The best part is you manage both your on-site and off-site users the same. This is made possible thanks to our Live Connect cloud service that keeps your off-site users connected for policy updates and transmitting reporting data just as if they're in the office. We even have location-aware policies. This way, if a user is roaming outside the corporate network, they can have a different policy. And what's more, you can also turn off logging for selected policies to give users privacy when surfing on their own time. An increasing trend these days is that of BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device, where users are constantly requesting access to the web on their personal devices. This is easy thanks to our flexible authentication profiles. You now have full control over how authentication works to provide secure, transparent web access in every situation, including guest access, shared systems, and of course, devices on your network. These new elegant authentication solutions make it simple for you to enable web access on Android, iOS, or other user devices while maintaining full user-based policy control. Rich graphical reporting offers instant visibility into the internet activity on your network. Monitor traffic and performance, or user activity such as high-risk site visitors, top policy violators, top users by browse time, and much more. Easily see what sites people are visiting, including categories, top downloads, or blocked sites. Also, quickly and easily set up scheduled PDF report packages that are emailed automatically at desired intervals to key stakeholders. For example, perhaps the HR manager is interested in receiving a weekly report on user activity on the internet, including top offenders. Well, that's very easy. So you've seen how easy it is to set up and manage a Sophos Web Appliance. What about deployment and support? Well, Sophos Web Appliances come in a range of capacities and as a virtual appliance, and you can easily centrally manage a group of appliances for added capacity or distributed branch offices as easily as managing a single appliance. And now, with Sophos endpoints able to offload the web scanning and policy enforcement, you can get rid of your big iron appliances and run with a much lighter, leaner appliance for policy and reporting. When it comes to integrating it into your environment, the appliance seamlessly integrates with Active Directory and eDirectory. We also provide role-based administration with a set of predefined roles that map to common tasks and workflow amongst the IT team, enabling them to be productive and deal with end-user issues without having full access to parts of the system that are not appropriate for their job function. Sophos is unique in the industry in providing a managed appliance experience, which offers the best of a managed service with the in-house control you get with an appliance. We monitor over 50 attributes of the appliance remotely and will alert you and offer remote remediation in the event of an issue. All updates, as frequently as every 5 minutes, for both the software and threat intelligence are also automatic and require zero intervention on your part and come at no additional cost. Ultimately, every feature and workflow is being optimized to save you time and effort without compromising on features and protection.